It's hard. It's so full.
It won't go up more.
It's just so full. Trent, come on this side.
How many more stops you reckon?
15?
Oh, we're not getting that on.
I might have to start doing the blade. Got a bag and a can on this side. Not empty.
I'm gonna try and get this behind it, then we'll see.
Lift the tipper. Lift the tipper.
And that might be as far up as it can go now.
Turn off the sweep. Only have the slide on. See, there you go. Okay, turn it off for a bit. You can really see how much the PTO kills the acceleration here.
I've never packed the truck out this hard. This is crazy.
Here we go. I'd try to throw a couple bags on the opposite side you're tipping. Good?
Good?
Yep. Now stop this. Yeah. Now feather open the sweep. Feather it open. Yep. Stop. Okay. Good.
This mist is so nice.
I don't mean to be telling you what to do. I'm just trying to help you fit it in.
No, I'm not as good at this. I've never packed out a truck exactly. So this is nice. It's nice to get some direction. And I'm still new to a power track. I've never worked on one actually. I like my Leaches, my McNeilises, and especially my Pack Techs. One here and there's one here.
Watch out. Okay, go. can do is open it and right now pull it up. Now pull it up.
If you need to do that.
You don't need to, but if it was not going all in.
Is there more on the other side?
I don't know where he went. I think there's a walk up on this street. This is nasty.
Right here.
Yeah, Andrew's on the left.
And there's a walk up here, so there's like 3 of them. Run the blade while I'm at the walk up.
Okay. Why don't I just run it while I film? But I mean, because then we can keep fitting stuff. Yeah.
Andrew, get ready. Down, Andrew.
It's gonna take a while here.
Oh, God.
Watch out. Can you move that bag, Trent? Trent, come. Or Andrew, can you grab this bag?